Hermes execute code is programmatic tool calling. Instead of asking the model to issue 20 separate calls, a Python script owns the loop, branches, and filtering. It calls typed Hermes tools through RPC, then returns only the deliberate final print output to the conversation. The practical threshold is 3 or more tool calls with processing logic between them. Search several queries, extract selected pages, parse many files, or patch repeated matches. Intermediate payloads remain inside the child workflow, reducing context noise before the model reasons about the compact result. Scripts can call web search, web extract, read, write, search, patch, and foreground terminal. That is not the same as arbitrary Hermes capability. Interactive or background processes belong in the normal terminal tool, while user decisions, memory, messaging, and delegation stay outside this programmatic surface. Project mode, the default, runs from the session working directory and prefers the active virtual environment. Strict mode runs from temporary staging with Hermes' own interpreter for reproducibility and fewer accidental relative path reads. The mode changes location and interpreter, not credential access or tool permissions. Current defaults bound execution to 5 minutes, 50 tool calls, 50 kilobytes of standard output, and 10 kilobytes of error output. Terminal calls are foreground only. Design the script to summarize as it goes, print a small audit record, and fail clearly when a branch cannot complete. The child receives a minimal environment, and variable names that look like keys, tokens, passwords, or credentials are stripped unless explicitly allowed through a skill or configuration. Finish with counts, failed items, and evidence paths. Use execute code for orchestration, terminal for builds, and visible verification for trust.